Hello marketers, Leon Tran here from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you roughly how much I made from selling WordPress plugins, and the best part is I didn't make any single one of them. And you can apply this strategy to just about any other products. Even if you don't want to sell plugins, you can sell graphics, videos, other kind of scripts, software, tools, and even ebooks. You don't have to write them yourself. You don't have to create any products yourself. It is called outsourcing, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But here is my dashboard from warriorplus, where I sell a lot of my products. So here is an example with one plugin. $740 here for this GDPR plugin, almost $900 for this keyword plugin, another $1,300 for this another keyword plugin, and a stock photo plugin where the user can search for stock photos and insert them. And let's see what else. This one made 100. This one made 240. This one's doing 1,300. This one did another 110, 120. So not everything's going to sell for thousands of dollars, and it didn't take me that much time because I didn't create them myself. So anyhow, another good strategy is you can also sell resale rights to your plugins, and then you can also upsell your plugins with other plugins, cross promote, and have a little empire of plugins you can sell. And another strategy is to sell private label rights and source code rights, and again you can apply this strategy to ebooks, videos, graphics, any other products. So you make one product and then you make another, and then you upsell them together, and then package them together, and then resell them, and then offer resale rights, private label rights, and source code rights, whatever you want. So where do I make all these plugins? I use Fiverr. It is absolutely the best marketplace for hiring people, just doing short gigs, micro gigs. And most of my plugins are very simple to create, and the ideas are simple, and then it costs you less if you can tell them in simple but clear details. They'll make it for you, and they'll charge usually from $100 to $200. And of course you contact multiple developers. So here at Fiverr, I just search for WordPress developer, and I have all these guys here, and just contact the ones with decent ratings and their prices starting at within your budget. So these guys right here, 1,200, so it's too much. 3,000 is too much. So you can sort it. Let's do best selling, for instance. So just contact multiple ones and then talk to them and see which ones understand your ideas and the one with the best offer. So that's how I do it. There's no secret to it. You just contact multiple guys and pick the best one, and Fiverr holds the money, so you're kind of safe from them just stealing your money. Plus you contact the guys with good ratings anyway, so usually those are good guys to work with. So you can develop plugins, themes, software tools. So you have any ideas, just go here. I would usually contact about 10 freelancers, and then just talk to the guys that replies, asking for more details. Usually those are the guys that are more serious. And then once you have the product, you can set up a simple sales page like this. And again, I keep everything simple. There's nothing fancy. Just tell them why they need this. Tell the buyers, the potential buyers, why This is an important plugin, and then what it does. For this example, my GDPR cookie plugin, all it does is display this banner at the bottom, which alerts the visitors on your website about how the private policy of the cookies work, and then they click OK, and then the pop-up goes away. And that's pretty much all there is to this plugin, and it costed me about $100 to create, and I've already sold over 1,500 of this. And here's another example. This plugin will allow the user to search for stock photos, free stock photos. And again, it's follow the same strategy, why this is important, and then goes over the features. I even have a video, and at this moment I am selling the source code and private label rights, so it's pretty simple to use and create as well. All it does is add this button right here, stock photo button. It pops up the screen, and then the user can type in a keyword, for instance car, and then a bunch of pictures shows up from stock photo sites, and then the user can click on one and insert into their blog post. So it's a simple plugin, nothing fancy, doesn't have a bunch of features, a bunch of buttons, and everything is just plain and simple looking. Even the buttons right here, as you can see, is just a default button design. So the more simple you can keep things, the better it is for you and your developer when creating your plugin or whatever you're trying to create. And like I said before, you can use this strategy to create any kind of products, even ebooks, videos, because there are people on Fiverr that will create your ebook for you and even create an upsell product. And then there are people that will make your sales page if you don't know how. So you can get your entire product created. And I've spent thousands of dollars with Fiverr, and it is absolutely my favorite marketplace to outsource to. Anyhow, I hope this video helped, gave you some ideas about how you can create your product and potentially make some money launching your products, and then using multiple angles to sell your products with upsells, cross promotion, different licensing, resale rights, private label rights, source code rights. Okay, thanks for viewing, and be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. And until next time, happy marketing.